That's right, Skrillex, Rare Noise, Former Beggars, LA, London, Dubai. About to get rowdy right now.
Yeah, and my old sound fatter. I make an next guy look like an actor. So I'm man and them a wild like they matter. But when I touch mic, I see them man scatter. And they wanna talk big, but when it comes to bigger the birds, they can't splatter. So I tell them, relax yourself, go home to your mum and stop being a catter. Many guys wanna par, many guys are gonna take this thing far. Many guys are gonna be some big stars, but soon enough them and about to get slapper. So there's no need for chatter, no need for anything cheap, but that's that. Anybody making a thing for you, smack up, back up, fam, my meters round back. I see them as
as if I had a clutch on a Magnum. Just another point in my game, and I'm the god figure poor in the rain. I'm a raw one, too much of a force to contain. When I forge through a page for the thoughts of the brain, by any means I'm putting pure spits to shame. What I depict on scripts too much for the man there. And I keep calm with more shit to spray when I'm letting off. Since I had a clutch on a Magnum. See you making that P in a fashion. Most of these MCs are straight gassing. Yeah, they getting paid on the JSA, cleaning something like the guy Don Draper from Mad Men. Bagging up when I'm racking hits. By the minute I'm sick with the lyrics, so you best be backing up. You tell with a little more flesh to matter, cause when I rat the top bars, watch how bad man scatter.